Welcome back to Immaculate Show channel. If you're looking to make money online with minimal effort, then you're in the right place. We're going to be looking on how we can earn around $1,000 on a monthly basis using this special app. The special app that is very free of charge, and you're going to be looking at it step by step. Today we are driving into this app. The app is called AttaPoll. AttaPoll, we are going to be seeing how it is a free survey app that pays you for your opinions. So my opinion people, my people who knows how to do their survey very well, reach near. Even if you don't have experience, even if you don't know, the surveys are very simple and very straight. Come and we do this money. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up, how to maximize your earnings, and all the best strategies to cash out as fast as you can. So guys, let's get started. We are going to get started by talking about what exactly is AttaPoll. AttaPoll is a mobile app, as you can see on the screen. It connects you with surveys from various companies that will pay you for the honest feedback. It's available on both the iOS, that is the Android, and it is also available on our Apple phones. And it's a completely free to use. You know, when we talk about being free, there are some doubting Thomases. There are some people who say, Christine, there's nothing on this world that is free. Yes, this one is a free in the sense that you are not going to pay any deposit, you're not going to pay any money on the app for you to access these surveys. They are free of charge because this is what they're supposed to do. When we hear about doing surveys, the companies approach this AttaPoll. When it approaches the AttaPoll, AttaPoll is the app. The moment it approaches them, it gives them the surveys, it gives them the questions and other things they want to know about their products. This is the easiest and the honest way. We can also add it is the cheapest way for most of the companies to use a such system than employing you and put you behind the computer and the desk, because they will need a lot of things compared to using this. With AttaPool, you can earn money anytime, anywhere, whether you're in your lunch break, are you relaxing, are you at home, are you in maybe in a matata commuting going somewhere, or you are at the beach. Did you go for vacation? You can still do this one. Before we go to how we sign up on this AttaPoll app, I would love to tell you that AttaPoll is an app that is very rated highly. It is rated highly both on both on our on our iPhones, and it is also rated highly on our Android phones. Let's head over and see how is it rated on iPhone and how is it rated on the App Store and on Google Store. When we go to their website, I want you to check on your screen. Go to your browser and put there AttaPoll. AttaPoll is A-double-T-A, then P-O-double-L. That is AttaPoll. You will find it is in front of it there is paid survey. They might be very many, but this is a right one with a search logo. And it says earn money by answering surveys. Answering surveys, that is answering questions, giving your opinions, which are very honest. On App Store, it is rated 4.5. 4.5 is always a very great rating with 6.5K ratings. Then on Google Play, it is rated by 4.3, which is 201.43 reviews, which is very good. You guys, whenever you go to buy something online, even if you're going to buy a cloth or a perfume, you always go and see how people have been rating it. And when you see the rating, you either go ahead or you don't go ahead. But remember, in these ratings, we have different kinds of feedback. There's nothing that can be 100% good. So you will find some of them are negative, but according to this app and the ratings, we take the positives because the positives are more than the negative ones. Now, how does this one work? Before we go to how it works, let's continue and see how do you sign up. For you to sign up on this AttaPoll app, you signing up for AttaPoll is very quick and easy. It's not like others where you're going to do this and the other. You just head to your App Store or to your Google Play, you download the app. The moment you download the app, you create your account using your email or by linking it to your Google or Apple ID. Once you are done, You'll be prompted to fill out some basics profile information for you to set up your profile. This is important because it helps AttaPoll match you with surveys that are suitable for your demographics, are suitable for your characters, and also are suitable for your qualifications. This one helps you to earn a lot. Let's go to the app and see how it looks like. The app is, as I told you, is as simple as you can hear. It is easy for you to go in. This is the first interface when you open the AttaPoll app, looks like that. You'll find there, then you'll find how it works. How does it work? Here, the research companies are looking for the right people to complete their surveys. They match and invite you for the best surveys. You get paid for successfully completing a survey. Then you cash out whenever you earn an amount of money. How much amount of money you earn, you withdraw, will be knowing later. But before doing this, let's first listen to the individuals who have been using the AttaPoll. We have some people who want to do a test. They want to be the witnesses of what they have earned from here and how they have been benefiting. Listen to this clip.
Is that it's legit and it deposits the money into your account instantly after you reach the cash out balance. I've probably made over about $100 from AttaPoll just by doing surveys, and I was able to buy food and diapers and wipes for my son.
Which I very much so am. it it allows that opinion to be valued, which feels nice, right? Everybody wants to like feel like their opinion is being listened to and valued. So it really checks off both of those boxes, which is fun. It also thoroughly helps me not be on social media as much, which I know is a little bit weird and probably not the most kosher response. But like instead of scrolling on TikTok while also watching TV, I'll be like answering surveys while having TV on in the background. And it is like more mentally stimulating.
It's very fair pay. The surveys are there every single minute and second of the day, so I love that about AttaPoll. And it does take a while for your surveys to come in and get reviewed, and you have to see if you qualify for them. But after that, they're super easy, super straightforward. It takes about 10, 15 minutes. Sometimes there's 20 minutes. Sometimes.
So on AttaPoll, yeah, you've listened to them, but let's dive in and really fast also thank every individual that is coming back on the market show. This is so beautiful. Thanks for being royal viewers, royal people that follow you are, or you are not followers, but you are doers. Kindly, if you watch, I would love you to go ahead and check your browser, download this, and start doing it. Anti-Market Show is into educating, into exposing. There are some basics of people that have been getting money, how people have been getting money basically without investing anything apart from their time and their zeal and focus. On this AttaPoll, you'll earn in two ways. You can earn by by going to a referral program whereby you get 10% of the survey's earnings for a lifetime. The moment you invite somebody, you get that one. Then also, you can earn money by doing surveys, as it is the major thing on it. So let's continue and see when you sign up, what next? They tell you the moment you sign up, you'll start earning money. How will you earn money? As we have already said that you can earn money in two ways: by referral program, whereby that one I can call it as the add-on, then but the main one is doing the surveys. After signing up, you will start receiving survey invitations. You guys, I'm fed up of receiving survey invitations because I have more than 5 apps, and of which AttaPoll is inclusive. So the moment surveys come, they send for me the email, but it's me to choose if I have the time to do it, or I don't have the time to do it. So when you receive these surveys range from 1 to 15 minutes and pay anywhere from a few cents to several dollars, depending on the length and complexity of the survey. To maximize your earnings, we are going to concentrate on some 3 to 4 things that you need to do, and you maximize your earnings. When we are talking about maximizing your earnings, we are thinking about 1,000 and above. Recently, we put a post of how to earn $800 on YouTube in 12 hours. But if you don't listen and finish the video, you are going to start saying, this, Christine, is a lie. So how can you earn 1,000 from AttaPoll or from YouTube? You can. I want you to be listening the videos until the end. Now, let's dive in and see how you can start earning this money, $1,000 from AttaPoll, using our few 4 tips that we came across. One, you have to complete your profile thoroughly. When you complete your profile thoroughly, the more details you provide, the better the surveys you'll be matched with. There are different kinds of surveys, and these surveys depend on your profile. If you go and put that you're a school dropout, you don't think they're going to bring for you a anything that concerns limousine, anything that concerns banks, anything that concerns finance. So if you really put a genuine of who you are going to get the best surveys, and which in turn will be paying you very well. The second one, you need to check the app frequently. Please, you guys, this is something that we can say it is free, and it's you who needs it. So since you are the one who needs it, you need to continue checking the app frequently, such that people should not take it before you take it. Because if they have put 5 surveys, it means the moment they get finished, then they have a certain number of survey applicants that they want. If they want maybe 5 recipients, and they have already gotten the 5 recipients. If you come late, yours is not going to be counted, or even you might not access it. You find it when it is already expired. Surveys are updated regularly, and high paying ones disappear quickly. Do you know why they disappear quickly? Because everybody is looking for the high paying ones. Then the third one you should really deal on, or you really focus on, for you to maximize your earnings. You need to turn on your notification, enable notification, so that you should never miss any survey opportunity. You might be at work, you might be a bit busy, but the moment your notification is there, when the survey comes, they will notify you. Be honest and consistent. In surveys, you provide the survey providers, really they look for you, the surveys you provided for them. When they discover that your answers are consistent, when they discover their answers are honest, they and you're very truthful, they will really maintain your account incredibly. They will really see it as if it is one of the account that should be getting leading opportunities and in terms of surveys. But the moment they discover that you're not honest and you don't complete in time, you're not consistent, they might not consider you like the way they normally consider others. So this is how you can earn and maximize money on this app. Let's now go there and see how this app is, and how do you really think, where would you think you'll get these ones. For you to get these ones, we said to get the surveys, they'll send for you in your email box. But before going also that very far, let's see the best practices also for you to maximize earnings. To get the most out of AttaPoll, you need to have best practices. Apart from or how we told you how you can get your so quickly you can jump in and do your surveys, you need to have these best practices. You need to set aside time daily, at least. This time, I always tell you guys, for you to do these things on online, you have to treat it like your job. You have to make sure that in 15-20 minutes on every day, I can do it like an overtime and do something for myself. If you refer to friends, it means you're getting more money on it. As I told you, there are 2 ways of earning from this. AttaPool offers a referral program where you earn percentage on your friends' earnings. Share your link, or we can share our link on social media regularly, and you can share it to our friends, the family, and you boost your income. then you cash out regularly. AttaPool allows you to cash out via PayPal, gift cards, or even cryptocurrency with a low minimum payout and threshold. Like in my country where I'm based now as I make this video, I cash out on only $3. So suppose I want to cash it out immediately, I can. But if I want to accumulate it to $100 because I want to become truly making sure that I get $1,000 every month, it means I'll not withdraw the $3. Yes, so you can cash out at any time, and make sure that you need to know that the cashing out process depend or the method depends on the country you're in. But the major one, if you go to the app, the major one is PayPal. Then we have gift cards. Then we have crypto. Even you can go ahead and get also give it as a charity. It is up to you. You guys, this is how to withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money when you reach a minimum threshold, and the minimum threshold depends on the country you're in. I told you in my country it is $3, but it is not a must that when it reaches $3 you withdraw. You can accumulate it until you get it. The moment I want to withdraw, I have to withdraw it through my PayPal, and when it goes to my wallet, I can send it to any account I want, whether in the bank or anything. You can go to your settings, you go to your earnings. The moment you reach your earnings, you select payment. When you select payment, it is going to ask you the payment method. You go and fill in the payment method, you link it up. When you follow the cash out steps as the prompts come, when the prompts come and you continue and fill in what they're asking you, AttaPool will process your payments within very few hours, like 12 to 48 hours, making it one making it one of the fastest survey apps when it comes to payouts. I'm telling you, there are some which pays as low as that, but the others that pay more than that, as in terms of the time when you initiate your cashing out and the time when you receive your money. So what do we talk about this? And that's how you can earn money, you guys, using AttaPoll. It's one of the easiest ways to make extra cash in your spare time. We are talking about our aim is to reach $1,000. For us to reach $1,000, you have to make best practices, and you have to have the focus we gave you in the, at least in the highlights above. If you found, you guys, these videos are really helpful, if you don't feel like you don't feel like you should be in need, you should lack, please, I want you to like this video. I want you to share this video. And above all, I want you to do this video. Doing this video as in terms of go to your browser, download this app, fill it up, access the surveys, and start cashing out. Then when you finish cashing out, or when you start it, when you get interest, please come back, give us a testimony in the comment section of this video. It has been nice being with you. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried before AttaPoll, please. If you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next